Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Azlan and you're watching Azlan Free YouTube channel. So friends, we are back with some brand new WhatsApp tricks which are new and cooler than first. So let's begin. Number 1. For this trick, you have to go on WhatsApp on any chat. This is brand new, released in 2021. Now click on 3 dots and go on wallpaper. Now select any custom wallpaper which you want. Like I want this one, so I will click on set wallpaper. This is the new thing which I was talking about. You could set it for only that chat which you have selected, or you could select it for all the chats. I will only select for this chat. Now if you have selected, so click on OK. Now see, this wallpaper has came. But when I go in another chat, see, this chat doesn't have that wallpaper. Number 2. When you send your friend or someone a message and you have to see that when he was online and didn't see your message, for seeing that, hold on the message which you want to see. Then click on these 3 dots and then click on info. Now you could see it is not seen, but it is delivered 17 minutes ago, but minus is coming on this. It means it is not seen. Like this, you could see that whether your friend was online and saw your message or not. Number 3. As you saw in the video that I made my own stickers. These are my own stickers. For making your own stickers like this, you have to download an app called Sticker Maker. I will give the link in description. This is the app you have to download. Go on this app and select a file, like select this one. Now click on Smart Select. See, the photo is selected by itself. You could add text to it and change the outline color also. Like add text cat. I will change its design and color also. And you could change its outline also. There are many colors for outline and you could change the outline width also. Now you have to click on save sticker and click on add to WhatsApp. Now you have to click on add and your stickers will be added to WhatsApp. Number 4. For this trick, you have to go on status and select a picture to put on status. Then go on text and select a color which you want. Now when we write the text, it comes like this. Like I am writing text Jenny. Now you have to change writing. You have to click on this dot and handwriting will change. I will do this writing. Like this, you could change handwriting in WhatsApp.